Green tea. It's a drink. It's an ancient tradition. It's a gift from nature. Across the world, people enjoy this special drink. Why is it so loved? Well, it tastes good. It makes you feel good too. Green tea comes from the Camellia sinensis plant. We use the leaves to make the tea. For centuries, people have used it for health. It's a healthy habit you can enjoy every day. Green tea is full of good things for your body. It has antioxidants. These help fight bad things in our bodies. Green tea can help your heart. It can help your brain stay sharp. Some people say green tea helps them lose weight. It gives you energy without sugar. Green tea can be part of a healthy life. Making green tea is easy. Heat water, but don't boil it. Put hot water on a green tea bag. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Take out the tea bag. Now enjoy your cup. You can add lemon or honey. Some people like it plain. Find what you like best. GAP 3S. Green tea is enjoyed globally. In Japan, the tea ceremony is an art form. Matcha, powdered green tea, is whisked into a frothy drink. In China, green tea is steeped multiple times, releasing new flavors with each brew. Moroccan green tea is a blend of green tea, mint, and sugar, served in ornate glasses. Each culture has its unique way of enjoying green tea. Try different styles and discover a new favorite. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing content on healthy living and wellness tips. You can drink green tea any time of day. Some people like it in the morning. It wakes them up. Others like it in the afternoon. It gives them a boost. Green tea before bed can help you relax. But listen to your body. Too much might keep you awake. Enjoy green tea and all its benefits.